Bangladesh series beginning today after the PSL non-stop cricketing action in Lahore.
Definitely, Pakistan fans are quite excited to see their brothers again in Pakistan.
The young talent you recently saw the PSL has just concluded a brilliant title victory for Lahore Qalandars, and people are obviously praising the whole team. How do you see this win for Lahore in general?
Yeah, definitely a great final. To be honest, one of the best final I have ever seen.
Has given a statement that he's confident that he will get 2 years contract with the PCB, and obviously he signed that contract. So do you think he will get that 2 years tenure which he
We are
wants?
hoping that he should get at least 3 years, not two, but we are hoping he should get 3 years, and we are hoping that he should not do any meeting with Akib Javed.
So there are lots of discussions happening in sport, and Akil Bhai is with us today. How are you, Akil Bhai?
I'm good. What about you,
I'm
Akib?
doing well, Akil Bhai. How do you see Pakistan Bangladesh series beginning today after the PSL non-stop cricketing action in Lahore?
Definitely, Pakistan fans are quite excited to see their brothers again in Pakistan, to see them, and we are
Bangladesh
hoping
loves Pakistan also.
that the best team should win. Plus, we are also giving the chance to the young talent, and we are hoping that young talent should perform well.
Nansab, obviously, as we're talking about young talent, you recently saw the PSL has just concluded a brilliant title victory for Lahore Qalandars, and people are obviously praising the whole team. How do you see this win for Lahore in general?
Yeah, definitely a great final. To be honest, one of the best final I have ever seen in PSL. It was really good, and in the end, I guess Lahore has beaten Quetta just because of Skandar Raza batting.
Even though you were
Definitely,
supporting Quetta, Nansab,
I
feeling
was
for them.
I was supporting Quetta in the first 15 overs, but when the game have changed, when you have seen that Skandar Raza was on the field, so definitely I guess I shifted towards Lahore.
And Nansab, obviously, as we're praising Sikandar, some people are criticizing that why Kushal Pereira is not getting the appreciation because he was the one. No doubt Sikandar as a changed the
Yes.
game, but you cannot negate Pereira's innings, especially in these last two big matches. How do
No,
you see?
I guess we are also appreciating his performance as well. You have seen that Shaheen has also hugged him in the ground when they have came after winning the match. So I guess he is totally. I guess he at least he is the main match winner for Lahore. But still, I guess the game changer was Skandar Raza. So you can't deny that.
And Nansab, if we're talking about Sikandar Azabhai, how do you see his dedication to come to Pakistan? It's sad that Imad Hussain is selling that money can make you do certain things. How do you see both these statements?
Imad always talk about the money, and we have also seen him that he always talk about the money. But for Skandar Raza, I guess the passion, the love for Lahore, for Pakistan, make him came back to Pakistan, make came back for his team Lahore, and his innings was definitely a match winner, and his innings was also the game changer for me. So I guess definitely money do thing for Imad, but for Skandar Raza, I guess that was passion and love.
And also, how do you see innings of Hassan Nawaz? And I think Hassan Nawaz can be a permanent fixture for Pakistan in the middle order. Do you see his inclusion? In
Yes,
the
we
team?
have seen that Hassan Nawaz have scored a century. He have scored half centuries as well. So he is really in a great form, and we are hoping that he should perform as well at the national level, at the international level for Pakistan as well, because he's a great talent, and we are waiting. We are also waiting to watch him the same innings that he have played in PSL against Bangladesh, and also even in T20 World Cup as well.
And Anasab, obviously, as we're talking about Sikandar Raza and all of these things, Mike Hassan has given a statement that he's confident that he will get 2 years contract with the PCB, and obviously he signed that contract. So do you think he will get that 2 years tenure? Which he
We are
wants?
hoping that he should get at least 3 years, not two, but we are hoping he should get 3 years, and we are hoping that he should not do any meeting with Akib Javed, because we have seen in the past that Akib Javed was the main culprit for the downfall of Pakistan team. But we are hoping that the rise of Pakistan team will come from the coach, from the coaching of Mike Hassan.
And Anasab, Shan Shahid Bhai has also given a statement that ESL security protocols obviously has made it really difficult for the fans and also the public because of road closures and hassle for the fans as well. How do you see this
Yeah,
statement?
definitely. I guess at the time of PSL, there was a lot of traffic blocked due to the tight security reasons. But we were hoping that the event should end at
Positive
a
wrong.
positive note. So I guess definitely fans do have to suffer, but definitely we always hope that the event should be end at a high note. So I guess these type of thing doesn't make much sense. for me.
And lastly, before we close this video, Rana Saab, Yunus Khan, as Wasim Akram Bhai has mentioned recently, that he wants Yunus Khan as the coach of Pakistan in red ball cricket.
Red ball,
Obviously,
definitely.
because Yunus Khan has been a very big name for Pakistan in test matches, and he was very hardworking, very honest, dedicated. What do you say?
You have seen that he has scored 10,000
Plus
runs
runs.
in Test cricket. Even Virat Kohli was not able to score that run. So I guess definitely Yunus Khan is a big name of Pakistan in red ball cricket, and we are hoping. Even we have also said in the past videos that we want Yunus Khan as the head coach of Pakistan. So I guess he should be the red head ball coach, and then if he has performed well, so definitely he can be the uh, white ball coach as well. But we want him in the Pakistan team. We want him to coach Pakistan in red ball team.
But Rana Saab, you remember that one time he was also our batting coach, I think a couple of years ago, and people say that he has a lot of temperament issues. How do you see this thing? Because he's
No,
considered as someone who's very honest and upright towards the job.
definitely, we want a honest person right now in Pakistan who can give a positive and the honest feedback to Pakistan
Our red
players
ball is
as well.
struggling bad.
And
Red ball
so
cricket.
definitely yes. So definitely we want an honest, you can say a dabang type of person in our coaching staff, and I guess Yunus Khan is the right choice
Not
for
like
it.
Akif Javed. Not like.
Not like Akif Javed. He just say that do that with the pitch, aisa kar do, waisa kar do. So definitely that doesn't make sense. So we want a positive mindset of coach, and definitely Yunus Khan is 100% on it.
So thank you so much for your time. Inshallah, tomorrow again we'll try to have another video. So okay, that's it for this video. Like, share, and subscribe to Sports Sales for more content like this. Till then, just goodbye from me and Rana. Keep by side to yourself and Allah.
Allah Hafiz. Take care.